My name is Bill Young, Superintendent of Maintenance Services and Transportation for Lake Havasu City Public Works Department. One of our key responsibilities is evaluating and maintaining the city's asphalt, including streets, alleys, and parking lots. We do this by using a pavement condition index. Here in Lake Havasu City, we have more than 1,800 sections of streets and over 435 miles to monitor. Let's talk about how the PCI process works and why it's essential for keeping our streets in good condition. The Pavement Condition Index is a way for us to evaluate the health of our streets. It helps us determine which streets are in need of maintenance, what type, and in what order. This ensures we're prioritizing maintenance where it is needed most, using the correct treatment at the right time, and using city resources efficiently. The process involves driving every street in the city, literally. While inspecting, we note different types of defects like block cracking, patching, bumps and sags, and weathering. Each defect is categorized into low, medium, or high severity levels. For some defects, we measure percentages. For others, we calculate square footage. After inspecting our streets, we input the data into a software called StreetSaver. StreetSaver is a specialized software that helps us analyze the data we collect. It assigns each street a PCI score from 100 to 0, with 100 being excellent condition and below 55 meaning it's poor and time for major maintenance or replacement. Using this information, we can create a maintenance plan that prioritizes streets needing the most attention, ensuring our roads remain safe and drivable for everyone in Lake Havasu City. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Pavement Condition Index and how we work to maintain our city's streets. If you see us out there, feel free to say hello. Have a great day.